So what is xanthan gum? Well, actually, it's normally found in your food, and it's also sometimes found in toothpaste and medicines. Maybe later you could go and have a look at the ingredients in your toothpaste and see if there's any xanthan gum in there. You sometimes find it in sweets, in chewing gum, even in ice cream sometimes. The point of xanthan gum is it doesn't actually taste of anything, so you don't taste it, but what happens is when it goes in water, it soaks up loads and loads of water, kind of like a microscopic sponge. But the reason it's really, really useful for foods is because as well as soaking up lots of water, it actually gets really, really thick and difficult to pour. We call it viscous. And viscous just means that when you pour it from one place to another, it pours really, really slowly. So it's used to make your toothpaste stay on the brush because it makes it a little bit thicker. Or it can make chewing gum that little bit thicker so that when you chew it, you get that chewy kind of texture. So it's just something that we use sometimes to make our foods a little bit thicker, or scientists use it when they're developing new foods. So that's why when you put it in water, it soaked up all the water and went really thick and slimy.